Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. All links you can need are in the video description. So I haven't looked at the charts yet, but I'm just going to do it straight away, go into it, and we'll just do a quick analysis on what to expect this week. I had a quick look at the calendar a minute ago, and we do have CPI news this week, so that will be the main event. And then you have PPI on Thursday. CPI will be on Wednesday. So this is what we were doing last week. You can clearly see we're consolidating sideways, and Friday we got that bullish move up to hit the first main target, which was 2930. So you can see here now we're in a bullish structure, we're consolidating, which is still bullish, we're retesting this area, and we're layering up on the buy orders. So simple forecast for this week, we should see a clear continuation up and a new all-time high hit. Go to the 4-hour time frame, and we're going to just neaten up this chart a bit so we can get rid of these areas. And we don't need most of this on the chart now. So that one's been retested, so we can get rid of that. And now we can move to the higher time frame and just get an understanding on what's happening. So we've had this clear upwards movement. This is being seen as a retracement, because this is retracing to take this liquidity from this doji candle on the daily time frame. We was expecting a lower retracement to here, but we didn't get that. This is still valid because it's taking liquidity just about. Then we saw bullish power, and everyone knows obviously gold is in an uptrend, so this has been seen as a retracement followed by an impulse move up. And especially we got this consolidation, we have to look for more bullish power, because this is not a valid reversal in my opinion. Now, just like we saw on Friday, once we get that bullish move up and we come into this area once again, we have to look for potential reversal, because this is your consolidation, and a push out would mean you get your fake out, which is let me just do this a minute. So this would be your consolidation, and if you just get an impulse move up like that, it's taking liquidity above and retesting that area once again, because the retest on Friday, which we got a push up to 2930, was not a valid reversal. It wasn't taking enough liquidity above to validate that reversal. So we still have to watch out for that, because price is still within that consolidation and there is still a risk of reversing, because they know everyone will be targeting that all-time high. So my main aim this week will be focusing on that continuation up. The previous high at 2930 will still be my first target, followed by 2953, which is the all-time high, that area there. So around 2953 and 2955 roughly. That is my two main targets, and that's what I'll be looking to do at the start of the week. Get into those buys and look out for more bullish power towards the upside, and then hopefully we get that before CPI news, and we make a nice bit of profit before that CPI news has been released. If I do see a good setup for the CPI news release, then I will post it in the free Telegram channel. I won't give you the full breakdown, but I'll simply put my bias and why I'm looking to favour that direction. And that normally helps a lot of people. You'd have to join the VIP service for more information and in-depth analysis leading up to that CPI news, because we like to get into the positions before the news has been released, because that will give you a better chance of making profit. You don't have to deal with the stress of trying to trade that high volume time when price is moving crazy. That's when people mess up a lot. They try and get into position and they get taken out straight away, and that heightens the emotions very quickly. So the best thing to do is get into position the day before or the London session, and then just ride it through the news volume. And most of the time it will go in your favour. So that's what I am looking at on the weekly time weekly forecast. So we're favouring a continuation up to target those two reversals, but once it clears 2930, you have to look out for a potential reversal, and if you do get that, it will be back down towards this area. Like I said, I'm mainly focusing on the continuation up because it holds more probability. We won't know until we get that reversal if it's happening or not. Are they layering up on more sell orders here, or is this a full retracement followed by a continuation up on the bullish trend towards 3,000? We will only know once price starts developing. So there you go, there's the weekly forecast. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.